Can leaving your natural hair out cause that? Oh, can leaving your sorry. Can leaving your natural hair out too much cause damage? So, leaving your hair out too much can cause damage, but it doesn't have to. The ways that it can do this is with the environment, different factors going on with the weather. If the weather is very dry, if it's very cold, these factors can make your hair just dry out, be very brittle, and then start to break off, because it doesn't have enough moisture. Another thing that can break your hair off is just having it, rub against things like the back of your car seat, on the bus, your office chair, your clothes, just rubbing against it all day. These type of things can cause your hair to break, but you can combat this, but you just have to remember to keep on top of your moisturizing game. You're going to lose moisture throughout the day quicker because your hair is not in, styles where your hair strands are clumped together. So you just need to bear that in mind.